I agree with this. When it comes to disagreement of a child parent, yung ina-argue usually ng bata is yung facts. Now, what parents usually argue is ano yung effect ng facts na yon to different perspectives in life. Naka-zoom out yung parents natin. Now, if you will claim yung victory doon sa maliit na tama mo, most of the time nagkakaroon tayo ng overconfidence sa sarili natin, and it causes us to devalue yung sinasabi ng mga magulang natin dahil nga tingin natin dahil sa isang tama na yon alam na natin or kilala na natin yung mundo. But I'm dead wrong. Whatever right I got, or whatever points I got from being right back then, that's just a portion of what my parent was teaching me. Now, for people who have experienced both life and parents as a teacher, mas gugustuhin mong paluin ka ng nanay mo ng hanger, sinturonin ka ng tatay mo, kaysa yung buhay yung magturo sa ng lesson. Now, that's a fact. Pag yung magulang mo yung nagdisiplina sa'yo, nagturo sa'yo, you will realize that there is a touch of leniency. But that leniency is going to be stripped away the moment life itself hands you the lesson. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.